To set up the sleep mode on iPhone 16e, we need to go to settings. And then in the settings, we need to scroll down to find focus and then choose it. And then over here we have sleep. We can tap on that option to set it up for the first time. So we can press customize sleep focus, and we can choose what should happen when the sleep mode is activated. So we can allow notifications from certain contacts or certain apps, or we can switch to silence notifications from, so that every notification is pretty much activated during that mode except for the selected list over here. Then we also have options in order to show, for example, the silence notifications on the lock screen. We can hide notification badges and so on. We can also customize our screen. So with the sleep mode being enabled, we can have a different, for example, wallpaper in the lock screen and home screen. We can also create a schedule. In this case, we have to set up sleep in health. And then we also have focus filters where we can add certain filters for apps or system. So for example, we can activate the dark mode when the sleep mode is enabled, or the low power mode. And that's it. Once you are done, you can simply go back and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!